Has a new heat pump defrost smell. Well, newer. Yeah, I can barely feel my hands. There it goes. Alright, so that was sort of kind of the last quarter of a defrost right there. But yeah, I just got this newer carrier defrosting. Steam show. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me right now. That's a full defrost right there. It's a Bright Ocean Findler. That's amazing. This is the one that rattles. It's loose in the back. Or something. Yeah, that's not that gross. Literally like melting down and dripping down the side of the unit. This way. Oh man, my hand, look how red my hand is. It's wild. If I catch one of those vintage heat pumps over there defrosting, that's gonna make my day. That's 4 defrosts already. And I've only been, and this is only one single row, and I've already gotten 4 defrosts. Wow. It's a month after my birthday, by the way. I don't know if you guys realize that. It's December 5th. And we have like our first snow of the year. Man, my camera does not pick up steam well, I'm sorry. Okay, I can assure you that there will be no more defrost in this lane. Hopefully. This isn't quite blowing up in the fan. Oh, these blades were manufactured March 26, 2024. All right, well, there's two defrosts of two newer carriers. Both of them had that, like, you know, what we've seen on carrier performances before they did this. Two newer carriers defrosting, and both of them had pretty good steam shows. This one was last quarter, this one was full, but I'm happy with both, so yeah. Open scroll. Motor and fan motor. Same thing. These are like twins, or these are triplets actually. Many of these were bought in bulk and just spat around with, you know, these are getting replaced slowly. Or actually a lot of these were replaced last year. It was in 24, 2.5 ton. This is the same with this one. I filmed this one on Thanksgiving. Oh, that's the old cap. Never mind. That was a 24. 2 ton. These are a little bit big for a 2 ton, but it's fine. Yeah, here they are. Thank you for watching. Over and out.